Hello, sir.
You press
Why?
request. You press request.
Why, sir?
You get where you take press
Sir,
request.
I can't. Sir, why I came with my real account?
Wait,
I was
Destiny
watching the.
Warrior, wait. I'm
I don't know who can help me and carry this. Ma,
Madam,
can
you
you
hear
remove
me?
this cannula? I want to go outside. I want to go outside and defend
Throw
myself.
the woman for them and show you how to
Let me
turn
remove this
press.
my son cannula. These people cannot drag me for nothing.
How?
Please, let me remove it. Let me go outside. They are dragging me for no reason. I came to seek for help for my dad. These people said I'm a scammer. Please remove this cannula. Let me go outside and defend myself.
Tell the
I
other
cannot shout
woman make
enough
sure you have to
people.
send request.
These people can, like, the kind of lie they are lying at me.
Sorry, okay, wanna comment
Just
that.
remove it. Let me go outside so I will not disturb other kids. Let me go outside. And he and O must prove that. Let me come outside.
Be like say you no even know say me I know they run for problem.
You must prove that
We
I'm
come
a
outside, we come outside, not make noise already.
Let me go outside. I don't want to disturb the hospital.
Talk am.
I'm coming. Let me come outside. You must prove that to me. If not,
That
God of my special needs child be fight for me. If what you are saying is true, let me.
Madam, did you say yeah yesterday?
I was
that
watching you on your live stream yesterday. I was watching you on your live stream the way you are lying to me.
You said yesterday
You guys told me that
you are
I've left the hospital. I'm in hospital to see my son. You guys told me that I should come with my real account. I came with my real account. If I lie that I have lose my daddy, I put my son on the floor. God of my destiny, strike me dead. If I lie that, if I lie that I've used many accounts and seek for help for my daddy, God of this specialist, strike me dead. Let me die.
Why don't they remove the woman now? Celine.
If you guys are so on the platform that you need help, look at the way you are so rude to the
Celine, Sharon. Why don't they remove people again? Emma.
No, me now that you not see the what she they do.
I personally remove someone.
Tomorrow they come down. See your God say.
If I tell them I remove her, I remove her. Why don't they remove something like that again? No, they frustrate me more. It looks as if they oppress them.
Epa, wait. You know what she want to so see? My Johnny, you will not use reverse. My Johnny, you will not use reverse psychology on me. You said, and I was quoting what you said yesterday. You said you spend 500,000 naira monthly on your child. Was that not what you said yesterday? So which one be your? Are you okay? Be your life for your head, sir. Are you okay?
I was watching you, and I was watching you on your live stream.
Was that not what you said?
I screen record it. Yes, I have proof.
So which
I pay for therapy. I have proof. 150,000 naira for my therapy.
Okay.
My son medication, price it. Epilin syrup is 52,000. DHA, price epilin syrup, price DHA, price baclofen, price coliver oil, price phenobarbital. Everything is 165,000. I was watching on your platform. You are spoiling my name.
What I'm saying,
I screen record. I must show it to a no game.
That's what I'm saying. What I said, you said every month.
Yes.
So and I said, if you are getting 500,000 naira every month for your son, you will not tell me you could not get money to go and do tests for your father. That was what I said.
Yes. My father, I sold that property. You are lying to me on your platform yesterday. Do you know how much I spent for my son today?
Johnny, you said you spent your papa
150K.
You said
for
you
my
spent your father's money.
Did I come here for my son? Why are you guys lying to me? The woman that said she saw me on Instagram.
Epa, you not see this girl.
You are a liar. You are lying to me.
You are lying for you. It's not better for you. You are a beggar. You are a stupid girl. You know better for you. You want a lie. You
stop lying to me on your platform. God of my special needs child, you strike me
what I said. And
you are a liar. You are lying. Stop lying to me. You are a liar.
Entitlement will kill you.
You lied to me that
you
I have
mad.
You guys told me to bring my real account. This is my real account. You guys told me to bring my real account. I came here for my dad. I did not come here for my son.
The reason why I
did not come here for my son. My son, somebody gave my son money to take him to the hospital.
Destiny the warrior, can you calm down? Can you calm down? And can you drop your child?
Epa, Abema, if I quickly talk. The reason we make me drop Destiny night be this one. The way she take put the picking for grand, she just left the child on the floor. She carry her 2 knees for grand. They feel flag your life. Now me talk you cook my drop him because she was doing too much.
Okay,
Is a special child.
No worry, I
You
don't see all this
insult me
one.
death.
See, may I tell you one
If
thing?
what you are saying is true.
If you want score, if what I'm saying is true for what you talk, are you a liar that forget
Madam,
what
what did
she
you say
said?
yesterday? You say you received 500,000.
No, if I not say receive, say they spend 700,000 naira monthly.
Yes, exactly.
How?
I said so.
Can you explain how you spend 500,000 monthly?
Yes, sir. My therapist or collect 150K. Is on his
Where
name.
did you get the money from?
My TikTok. Sometimes people send me gifts.
Yes.
Sometimes a woman is on this platform. She's using her PayPal or be something like that. PayPal.
You are saying she was the one that insulted me first. I'm a bloody liar.
Yeah,
You are a liar. Let me talk.
Okay, you see her now. Don't worry, I leave the platform for you. Carry.
Destiny, no, yeah, wait. Destiny.
You are mad. You are a stupid girl for insulting me.
Insult my
You're very stupid girl. Bloody liar.
Destiny the warrior. If you
Yes,
insult
sir.
my PA again, you meaning you are indirectly insulting me.
Sorry, sir. I will not insult her again.
ERO is here for
Sorry,
me. She want the betterment of this platform. Okay, so when she's asking you questions and she says something, she
Yes.
has every right to attack you and say, this woman is lying.
Yes, sir.
You can just go straight to the point. The main reason why I'm leaving you here is still because of your special child.
Yes, sir. I know, sir.
If not, I will not drop you since.
No problem, sir.
If you want to explain to me, explain in a way that I will understand.
Okay, sir. I will, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
I joined TikTok last year, January. I was on my live stream crying for help. Boko came to my live stream, say, you have only 4 people watching you. Come to my live stream. That was the first TikTok that helped me.
First for like 5 minutes. If you're true now, I'll bring you in. Yeah. Continue.
Okay, sir. So Poco brought me to our platform. They raised 200 plus for me. So
200
they now
million.
advise.
Which one?
They now advise me that I should.
200 and be 2 million. Which one? Is it 200,000 or 2 million?
Yes, 200 and I think 230 something thousand.
Continue.
Yes. So during that time, I was not doing therapy for my son because I never know what is cerebral palsy. This is my first son. I never know what. I'm not doing therapy. So at 2 years, my son is not sitting. He's not doing anything. I went to the hospital. They said I should start therapy for my son. So I based in Ogun State. The place the therapy is, my son therapy is at Lagos State. That was that island side. I said, okay, instead of me to be going to island because with this boy, I don't want to be stressing him. Then now I said I should invite private therapy. His name on TikTok is my son. He charged me 150K every month. My son is on 5 different type of medication. All the medication is 165,000. Epilim is 52,000 naira. He's on epilim syrup, he's on DHA, he's on Tegretol, he's on phenobarbital, he's on baclofen and coliver oil. Everything I can tell you the name. You can help me and price it. It's 165,000. That is therapy and medication is 3 plus. Destiny you are seeing is not eating normal food. Destiny find it difficult to swallow food. Every day I used to buy baby milk 4,500. It will for 2 days. If I calculate that baby milk for every month, withdraw the money. I don't know how to withdraw coins. Mr. Ray will bring me up. Sometimes they raise 50K coins for me. Sometimes they'll raise 15K coins. The lady will withdraw it and send it to me. Sometimes I don't do therapy. Sometimes I do therapy. That is, if I see the money, I'll do therapy this month. If I do not see, I'll not do next month. So he's wearing Pampers. Every two weeks, I used to buy Pampers, 25,000 naira, and my 2 children.
Wait. I want you to apologize to my PA. My PA is not happy with you.
Sir,
She's a woman like you.
Yes, sir.
She's a woman like you. You can explain to her without insult. She, in other terms, can also explain to you without an insult. I just want the both of you to tell each other sorry before continuing. I just want the both of you, not you alone. Apologize to her.
Please, can I say one thing?
Yes.
Before I forgot.
Yes.
You know, yesterday, show my daddy face on Instagram.
Epa, wait. Said you first just now.
You said I'm very rude, that I'm a liar. I was like, what did I do to you?
That was what you said. That was what I said to you first before you.
On your platform, you are
Destiny, when you came here just now, was that the one that insulted you first?
You did not allow me to talk. You are telling me that I'm too rude.
Okay.
Was that the one that insulted you first?
Yeah. We get another hot topic.
Destiny, was that the one that insulted you first? If you not talk truth, it's not better for you, Destiny. Except to talk to
abuse me again.
You were the one that insulted me first.
Carry my son, please.
You insulted me first. Yeah.
So you not Gary cause. Please don't abuse me.
So when you not the one that insulted me first here? Epa, she dey lie. When you not the one that insulted me first here? Epa, no, because everybody for commenting at me insult her. Who is that? Who is? That is between me and you insulted first.
You said I am rude. I was like, why are you saying I'm rude?
Destiny, wait. Yeah, Omudia. May una too apologize to herself.
Epa, no, me no worry. I not dey apologize to her. No vex. Person when insult me for year first, they just say
I will apologize to her.
Epa, no apologize. Keep her apology. Don't worry.
Yeah, wait.
I will apologize to her if she said I'm wrong.
May they do it matter. May not apologize. It's okay.
I will apologize to her if she said I'm wrong. I'm sorry. If she said I'm wrong, I'm sorry from the depth of my heart. I was angry.
But I only said I quote what you said, and you're not saying how you are a liar. She was the one that insulted her, but people they thought say now me insult her first. Instead of left now very simple something. Yes, now me insult you first. Finish. You the changer. You see this your pity party that you are playing, you can't play it with me.
You don't even need to come bring another explanation. Another explanation.
You just tell her sorry. Go tell you sorry.
I've tell her sorry. I've tell her sorry that she should forgive me.
She's working for him, so she have every right to say this or that. That doesn't mean she is controlling people. Or
Madam, you know what? Madam, you know what? You know what?
You want to carry me, you have to talk to the PA.
You know what? With your explanation so far, I feel your pain. Okay, but the main reason why a lot of people are not satisfied with what you are saying is because there are a lot of people that are scammers.
Yes, exactly.
There are a lot of people that come to media to scam people. It's a plan work. They borrow special needs children, they put it on their head, and they say it's their child. You know, go to the hospital, it's a plan work. So now we are being scared to help you because why? A lot of people are saying that you are not straightforward.
Sir, why they are saying I'm not straightforward? They always see me on live stream. That is why they are angry. Anytime I'm on live stream like this, they will be angry that, why are you on live stream? Why can't you go and arrest the man? Go to Wi-Fi. I was like, if I'm on my live stream and you people don't want to help, you leave my live stream. If you check my page, that is why I said, okay, since all of them are saying I should come with my reproach, I said, okay, let me come. My father came November, and this Destiny you are seeing, my pregnancy video is on my page.
Where is your baby father?
I told you his work is in Lagos State, but he's not supporting me. He's working for someone, but he's not supporting me. So every time I used to be on live stream, some of them will be watching me and be say, that I'm not taking care of this child. I said, no. These children, sometimes they will fall sick. Like now, they say he has plenty infection, that I need to buy this thing for him. It's because...
Hold on. This is the main reason why a lot of people are confused.
Sir,
Are you here because of your father or because of your
I'm
child?
here because of my father, but all of them now brought my child
you listen
issue.
to me. You listen. If you are here because of your father, then don't add your child to it.
Sir, I never had my child, but yesterday I cried. In the hospital, I did not eat. I cried. A woman said she sent me 100,000 naira. I went to her page. I never know the woman from Adam. The woman said she sent me 100,000. I went to Instagram. I am not even on Instagram. It's my main page that is on Instagram. This woman was saying bad about me. She did not support me.
Which woman is that?
Her name is, I have the screen record. Her name starts with Aru. You something.
Listen to me. She
said she saw me on Instagram.
Listen to me, madam. You caused the suspicious act because you did not come with your real account from the beginning. Now,
because they are after me. If I come with my account, they will say I'm lying.
Listen, let me tell you something. You get the way God take create me. No matter who you are, if you can be able to have one-on-one contact with me, I will help you. If you are telling the truth. Even my mother cannot tell me not to help you. That's me. When I made up my mind to help people, if you like, play me while you. But I am doing it for God. I'm not doing it for you.
They keep spoiling you from me. I was like, I was sending requests, bring me up. I was like, maybe she's supposed to end the live stream and caution them. But the way the woman was saying that I DM her on Instagram, I could show my papa face. I'll never show my papa face. She said I will show my daddy face. I will show my son face.
To me, you have used your hot temper to spoil things for yourself on this platform. If I should be very sincere to you right now, if I should raise a donation for you, if you see 20,000 naira, you go know it's a mistake. I swear to God. I know my fans. I know the people they watch me.
I never come for my son. Why are they after this boy?
You don't use your temper and suspicious act to spoil things for yourself.
For me to prove my innocence. I cannot.
You see that you're innocent, you want proof. You don't pass. They will not look you as an emotional blackmail. I know my fans, so my fans and someone that take different from VDM.
Let me mute.
Ask me still be also. If you get where I'm for fuck up, Lala. If I not quick adjust to tell them, say, oh, I'm not supposed to do this thing. If my fans come for me myself, I go away. You know why? They get that to come for me because they are the reason why I'm calling myself 01. Without them, I'll not be any 01. Without my fans, I am not 01. What is 01? 01 means the biggest of all presenters on Edo cyberspace. I call myself 01 because of the people that are watching me right now. So when I'm sitting live here, I am trying to be very careful of what I say, what I do, and what I react to, because people are screen recording. Well, for not say people they screen record. Now when you know never come up for live video, if I tell you now, say as you take it down, just now throw away your baby, they swear they don't screen record and you think about the talking. If you do this in live, now I tell bloggers now, say if you know you screen record, send it to me. More than 4 bloggers will send that for me. Because here is a big platform. But not today.
Please, sir, they should stop spoiling me again.
Yes,
please.
Not today. You come on the 15th. I will just give it to you because of God.
They should stop spoiling me again. Let them leave me alone, please. They should leave me alone.
I will just give it to you because of God.
My daddy is 58 years old. If my daddy died today, I will go to Shagam this thing and bury him. It's not only me that I will be suffering. It's my own son that is my priority to take care of. Yes. But they should stop telling me that I'm lying. They should stop spoiling me. They should leave me alone.
If you don't want people to attack you that you're a liar, then do not act as one.
Why is it a bad thing for me to open my own live stream? How many live stream have you seen me? Is it a bad thing to just open live and tell them that I have a special needs child they should help? I never use jazz for people to help me. The lady was saying Instagram, I DM her. It's hard for me to DM people. It's better I leave. I cannot leave media. If you cannot tell me to leave media that I have a special needs child. You cannot tell me that I should stop opening live stream. I'm not the only special need mom on TikTok. It's because I'm a young girl. That is why all of them are attacking me. I came here for my dad. They came here to say that I have a special child, I'm this, I'm that. Did I talk to my child, did I say that I need help for my son? The woman was lying, another woman was lying that I DM her and nobody is there to caution her. If I'm the one that spoil your name, will you be happy that I spoil your name? I'm still in hospital now. Instead of
So on the 15th, come. Anything we can't give you from our purse, you go manage them here. It's okay.
please, they should not spoil my name again, please.
No
They should not spoil me again. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
All right.